Hello everyone, welcome to BDSK online classes. Myself Sanjay Verma, your science teacher. Dear students, I hope that all of you feeling well and doing hard study at your houses. Dear students, today in this video I am going to teach you about next topic of acid base salt, that is salt. You know that all the known substances of the world are classified into following three categories, that is acid, base and salt. I have already taught you about acid and their properties and base also their properties. Now I am going to teach you about salt. Okay, that is third substance. You know that salts are prepared by reaction of acid and base. Okay, when acid and bases are react to each other, they form salt. Okay, there are number of ways of preparation of salt, but the most common method of preparation of salt is reaction of acid and base. When acid react with base, they form salt and water. Okay, so you can easily prepare salt with the help of reaction of acid and base. This reaction is also called as neutralization. Reaction. Okay, dear students, you know that salts are very good conductor or electrolyte of the electricity in aqueous form. Means if salts are in aqueous form, so they conduct electricity very well. Okay, and there are following types of the salt. बेटा salt कई प्रकार के होते हैं, that is you can see here, that is normal salt. Okay, normal salt, next acidic salt, next basic salt, next mixed salt, fifth is double salt, okay, sixth is complex salt. Okay, so salt can be classified into following six categories, that is normal salt, acidic salt, basic salt, mixed salt, double salt and complex salt. Okay, the chemical formula of normal salt is NaCl. Okay, sodium chloride is a normal salt and it has pH of 7. And for your kind information that I want to tell you, when strong acid react with strong base, they always form a normal salt. Understood? And next is acidic salt. Okay, you know that ammonium chloride is a acidic salt. Ammonium chloride is a acidic salt. And I also tell you that when strong acid react with big base, they form acidic salt. Okay, in formation of NH4Cl, you can see that there is a ammonium hydroxide react with hydrochloric acid. Okay, hydrochloric acid is a strong acid and ammonium hydroxide is a weak base. They react to each other and form ammonium chloride. Understood? Next is basic salt. The example of basic salt is sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. This is a basic salt. And dear students, you know that when a strong base undergo reaction with weak acid, they always form basic salt. The pH of sodium hydrogen carbonate is 9 and the pH of ammonium chloride is 6. Okay, you know that the pH of sodium hydrogen carbonate is 9, that is more than 7, so it is basic in nature, and the pH of ammonium chloride is 6, which is lesser than 7, so it is acidic in nature, and the pH of sodium chloride is 7, so it is neutral or normal. Okay, next is mixed salt. Okay, the example is calcium oxychloride. This is a mixed salt. Okay, next is the another example of mixed salt is sodium potassium sulfate. Sodium potassium sulfate is also mixed salt. Okay, next is double salt. द्विक लवण. Double salt is consist by two different salts. Example is फिटकरी and formula is K2SO4 into Al2SO4 whole thrice into 24H2O. Okay, this is a फिटकरी that belong to double salt. Chemical name is potassium aluminum sulfate. This is a hydrated form. Okay, and next is complex salt. Complex salt, that is जटिल लवण. Example is potassium ferrocyanate. What? Potassium ferrocyanate. Second. Okay, this is a complex salt. So I hope that all of you understood about salt and their classification. Now I am going to teach you about baking soda, that is also a salt, belong to basic salt. It is also called as the chemical formula of baking soda is Na baking soda. Okay, the chemical formula of baking soda is NaHCO3. Chemical name is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate. This is the chemical formula of sodium baking soda and this is a chemical name. Next is preparation. Dear students, I want to tell you that sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is baking soda, is prepared by the reaction of sodium chloride, aqueous solution of sodium chloride with ammonia and carbon dioxide. Okay, means when sodium chloride, aqueous solution sodium chloride when aqueous solution of sodium chloride undergo reaction with ammonia and carbon dioxide, they form baking soda and release ammonium chloride. Okay, this is the chemical equation of preparation of baking soda. Okay, I hope that all of you understood. Okay, हमें आशा है कि आप सब समझ गए होंगे कि जब कभी सोडियम क्लोराइड का एक्वस सोल्यूशन अमोनिया और CO2 के साथ क्रिया करता है, दे फॉर्म बेकिंग सोडा एंड रिलीज अमोनियम क्लोराइड साल्ट. ओके, next is properties of baking soda. You know that, students, baking soda are white crystal which are water soluble. बेकिंग सोडा एक वाइट क्रिस्टल होता है जो कि वाटर सॉल्युबल होता है. नेक्स्ट इज बेकिंग सोडा इज एल्कलाइन नेचर, मीन्स यह क्षारी होता है. नेक्स्ट इज एक्शन ऑफ heat on baking soda. Action of heat on baking soda. Okay, so dear students, this is a baking soda, it undergo heat, okay, and form sodium carbonate, release CO2 gas and water. Overall you can say that when sodium hydrogen carbonate or baking soda undergo heat, they form sodium carbonate, release CO2 gas and form water. Okay, this is the effect of heat on sodium hydrogen carbonate. And you know that there are number of uses of sodium hydrogen carbonate or baking soda, such as baking soda is used as an antacid. You know that it is used for removing our acidity of the stomach. Okay, next it is used in bakeries to make cakes, bread, etc. Okay, and baking soda is also used as a fire extinguisher. Okay, so dear students, I hope that all of you understood about baking soda. Okay, in my next video I will teach you about washing soda, that is next salt of this chapter. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.